Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Fire TV is updated and restarted so Bluetooth works reliably. Once done, power on your Bluetooth accessory and put it in pairing mode. This lets the Firestick detect it. Now you navigate, press Home, go to Settings, then Controllers and Bluetooth Devices. This path opens the pairing interface. Make sure the remote stays connected while you proceed, because losing it forces a different setup path. These initial steps minimize interference and ensure your device appears in the next screen. Once in Controllers and Bluetooth Devices, choose Other Bluetooth Devices so the Firestick scans for nearby accessories. When your device name shows, select it. Pairing begins immediately and you'll see a connecting status. If a PIN or confirmation appears, accept or enter the number shown. This verifies identity and prevents accidental connections. If the connection stalls, toggle the accessories pairing off and on then retry. Make sure you're within a few meters and remove other active Bluetooth sources while pairing. After pairing, check Controllers and Bluetooth Devices, Other Bluetooth Devices to confirm the accessory shows as connected, then test audio or input immediately to verify functionality. If something's wrong, first reboot the Firestick and the accessory. That often clears transient issues. If problems persist, unpair and pair again, and as a final step, reset Bluetooth settings in Fire TV network or system menus. Troubleshooting tip: interference from Wi-Fi or other Bluetooth can block pairing. Move closer and disable nearby devices while reconnecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.